Question number 4, second part of exercise 1.4. Book ML Agarwal says, it says that we have given root 3 equal to 1.732 and we need to find the value of 5 root 12 minus 3 root 48 plus 6 root 75 minus plus 7 root 108. It is given that root 3 is equal to 1.732 and we need to find the value of 5 root 12 minus 3 root 48 plus 6 root 75 plus 7 under root 108. So, hope the question is clear to you कि इसमें हमें क्या करना है. मतलब क्वेश्चन आपको पढ़ने में तो समझ में आ रहा है कि भाई रूट 3 की वैल्यू दी और इनकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, ये करना है. अब कैसे करें इसको? करने के लिए सब कुछ कोशिश करेंगे कि फैक्टराइज करके रूट 3 के टर्म्स में ले आएँ. दैट इज़ I can write this root 12 as root 4 into root 3 because root 4 into root 3 root 12 होता है, इसलिए root 12 को root 4 into root 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. Laws of third, root a into root b is root ab and therefore the converse of this, that root ab can be written as root a into root b. So very clearly 5 root 12 can be written as 5 root 4 root 3. Likewise we can think of here also any such number 12 into 4 या 16 into 3, so that you get a perfect square number multiplied by some other number. Like here you can convert it into root 16 into root 3. So now you see that root 16 will become 4, like root 4 will become 2. So you are left with condensed root 3 and every element, every term in terms of root 3, and then you can add or subtract. So here what can we think of? We can think of 25 into 3, that is 6 under root 25 under root 3, and here we can think of 7 into, here what can you think of? 36 into 3.
36 into 2.
Okay, under root 36
into 3.
Into root 3. So, I hope you are following this. We can say now root 4 is 2. So, 5 into 2 root 3. Similarly, 3 into, this is 4 root 3. Then this is 5 root 3. And then this is 7 into 6 root 3. And rational can be multiplied with rational, so 5 will be multiplied with 2, that will give you 10 root 3 minus 3 4s are 12 root 3 plus 6 5s are 30 root 3 and 7 6 are 42 root 3. So now you see 10 root 3 minus 12 root 3, so it's like 10 apples minus 12 apples plus 30 apples plus 42 apples means root 3 can be either taken common or can be considered as an apple. So very clearly if I take common, for some students they don't understand apple, so we take root 3 common, it becomes 10 minus 12 plus 30 plus 42, and now you can add algebraically these things. That is, you can see 42 plus 30 is 72. 72 with a plus sign minus 12 is 60. 72 with a plus sign minus 12. 72 minus 12 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. So you get 70 root 3. तो इतना बड़ा जो आपके पास बम फेंका था उससे, वो आप उसको रिड्यूस करते चले गए और वो इतना छोटा सा बच के रह गया आपके सामने, दैट इज 70 रूट 3. और अब आपके पास और कोई चारा नहीं है कि आप यहाँ पर रूट 3 की वैल्यू जो उसने दी हुई थी 1.732 वो डाल दें. तो आपने डाल दिया 1.732 रूट 3 की वैल्यू अपने यहाँ डाल दी. तो इट इज़ नाउ लाइक यहाँ 7 है 70 है तो 7 into 10, तो वो जो 10 था वो मैं यहाँ ले आया, इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दैट इज यू कैन कन्वर्ट दिस एज दिस ऑल्सो. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप इसको ऐसे कन्वर्ट करें फिर ही आगे मल्टीप्लाई करें, हो सकता है कि आप डायरेक्टली इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लें. फॉर मी दिस इज़ कन्वीनियंट दैट आई कन्वर्ट दिस 70 इंटू 7 इंटू 10, और जो 10 निकला था वहाँ से 1.732 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो वो 17.32 हो गया. So this therefore becomes 7 to the 14, carry 1, 7 3 the 21, 22, carry 2, 7 7 the 49, 251, 51, 51.
So 121.24.
Carry 5 and 7 1 the 7, 5 12. So decimal after two places, decimal after two places. So it becomes 121.24 your answer. Anybody has to say anything? Is this clear?
No, sir.
G?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.